Hey everyone, Dr. Bell here with Dr. Bell Health, and today we're going to talk about B vitamins, specifically Thorne's B-Complex number 12. As a healthcare professional, I'm always on the lookout for top quality supplements that can support our body's vital functions, and this one is an awesome one for that. So why are B vitamins so crucial for our neurological health? First of all, our nervous system is like a complex highway, transmitting signals and messages throughout our body. And B vitamins act as a maintenance crew. They ensure that this highway runs smoothly and efficiently. They play a key role in converting carbohydrates into energy, metabolizing fats and proteins, and supporting the overall health of our brain and nerves. And this is where Thorne's B complex number 12 really shines. Unlike many other B complex supplements out there, this formula contains the active forms of B vitamins, which means our body can absorb and utilize them more effectively and efficiently. It's like giving your nervous system premium fuel blend instead of regular gasoline. You'll hear me say this all the time. It's not how much of a supplement you take, it's how much of a supplement your body absorbs. That's the most important thing. And one of the standout features of this supplement is there's an extra dose or even more of the vitamin B12 and folate. Before we go any further, I want you to know that this is for educational purposes only. Talk to your doctor before you take any vitamins or supplements. This is not medical advice. And if you didn't know, everything we review on our channel can be purchased at a steep discount through our full script store. Go to drbellhealth.com, drbellhealth.com. We have a steep discount there, better prices than Amazon than on the Thorne website. Free shipping, free returns, and it doesn't cost you anything to join and to shop around and see it. We have your favorite brands there, such as Thorne, Standard Process, Metagenics, Pure Encapsulations, Biotics Research, Designs for Health. You name it, all the best brands are there and at a discount. All right, now on to the extra dose of vitamin B12 and folate. These two vitamins are important for maintaining healthy red blood cells, repairing tissue cells, and supporting DNA synthesis. They're also crucial for proper methylation and homocysteine metabolism, which are fancy terms for processes that keep our brain and nerves functioning optimally. And as we age, our body's ability to convert B vitamins into their active forms can diminish. This is where Thorne's B complex number 12 really comes to the rescue. By providing us with the bioactive forms of these vitamins, including methylcobalamin and 5-MTHF for folate, we're ensuring that our body gets the nutrients it needs, regardless of any age or digestive challenges. You might be thinking, I can get these vitamins in my diet. While it's true that a balanced diet is essential, certain factors like medications, poor digestions, your genes, or even pregnancy can increase your need for these vital nutrients. And that's where a high quality supplement like Thorne's B Complex 12 can make a difference. So if you're looking to support your neurological health, boost your energy levels, give your body the tools it needs to thrive, I highly recommend Thorne's B Complex number 12. It's an optimal balance of active B vitamins, extra B12 and folate if you need that methylation, and the trusted quality of Thorne. Don't forget, you can purchase B Complex number 12 and other Thorne products at a steep discount through a full script store. Go to drbellhealth.com, drbellhealth.com, free shipping, free returns. It's awesome. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, a like, share it with your friends. Stay energized, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm Dr. Bell.